We're back with some exciting and somewhat alarming news from the world of science and space. Unusual geological activities have been observed in Yellowstone National Park, putting experts on high alert. Let's delve into these mysterious and potentially dangerous developments. Recent reports indicate that hundreds of small earthquakes have occurred in Yellowstone National Park. These earthquakes were recorded in just a few days and felt in different parts of the park. But the most notable aspect of these events is the rapidly rising dome-shaped bulge in the park. This situation raises serious concerns that the massive supervolcano beneath might be stirring. Yellowstone is known as one of the largest volcanic systems on Earth. This massive supervolcano last erupted about 640,000 years ago, marking itself as a crucial area for scientists to monitor. The supervolcano beneath Yellowstone is considered one of the largest and most dangerous volcanoes in the world. If it erupts again, the effects could be felt not just in the Americas, but across the globe. The last major eruption, which occurred about 640,000 years ago, turned a large area into ash and caused significant changes in global climate. This eruption is recorded as one of the largest volcanic eruptions in history and had a massive impact worldwide. Geologists and volcanologists warn that if Yellowstone erupts again, it could lead to a similar or even larger disaster. Such an eruption could release enormous amounts of ash and gas into the atmosphere, potentially causing global cooling by blocking sunlight. To better understand this worrisome situation, we consulted some renowned scientists. Stephen Hawking had issued important warnings about supervolcanoes and natural disasters throughout his life. Hawking once said, "One of the greatest threats facing humanity is a large-scale supervolcano eruption." His words resonate even more today. Hawking's warning had a significant impact not only in the scientific community but also among the general public. Neil deGrasse Tyson also has crucial insights on this topic. Tyson said, "If a supervolcano eruption occurs, it won't just be a local disaster. The massive amount of ash and gas released into the atmosphere will affect agriculture and air quality globally, threatening millions of lives." Tyson emphasizes our vulnerability to nature's power and the importance of predicting and preparing for such events. So, what do these geological activities mean? Are the earthquakes and rising dome in Yellowstone signs that magma is moving toward the surface? Experts are working intensively to answer these questions. Subterranean activity is continuously monitored, and the signs of a potential eruption are carefully examined. Geothermal activities are crucial indicators used to monitor magma movements and gas emissions below the surface. Looking at historical data, we see that 3 major eruptions have occurred in Yellowstone so far. The first one was 2.1 million years ago, the second 1.3 million years ago, and the last one 640,000 years ago. Each of these eruptions left deep marks on the Earth and caused significant changes in ecosystems. Every eruption created massive calderas and impacted wide areas. Today, thanks to modern technology, significant advancements have been made in monitoring and predicting such natural disasters. Satellite imaging systems, ground-penetrating radar, and geothermal monitoring devices continuously observe the activities in Yellowstone. However, nature remains unpredictable. Therefore, the activity in critical areas like Yellowstone is closely monitored by scientists. Scientists use various methods to monitor the geological activities in Yellowstone. These methods include GPS measurements, underground temperature and pressure sensors, and chemical analyses. These data help scientists understand magma movements and potential hazards underground. Additionally, this information can assist in predicting the timing of a potential eruption. Yellowstone is not only geologically significant, but also a major tourist attraction. Millions of tourists flock to the park every year to witness its natural beauty. However, these geological activities could jeopardize the safety of the park and its visitors. Therefore, The park management and local authorities are taking various measures to ensure visitor safety. The animals and vegetation in the park could also be affected by these geological activities. Earthquakes and magmatic movements could alter the habitats of animals and the plant cover. This could lead to significant changes in the ecosystem and threaten biodiversity. Scientists are working to minimize these impacts. In conclusion, the unusual activities in Yellowstone are a major source of curiosity and concern for both the scientific community and us. We hope that this activity subsides without leading to a major disaster. We will continue to keep you informed about this matter. We have reached the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with the most exciting and latest news in science and space. See you in our next video. Goodbye.